The new Astra has been stretched by 4 mm over the outgoing generation, and is now 4,374 mm long. Even though the overall length has barely changed, the wheelbase has been stretched significantly by 13 mm, by shortening the front overhang. The car's increased footprint pays dividends in terms of cargo capacity, which is now 422 liters with the rear seats in place. It gets the matrix LED technology from the flagship Insignia, with no fewer than 84 light-emitting diodes per headlight. Cluster. Cruise control with stop and go is available, as are a head-up display and a 360-degree camera. The 2022 Astra will be available with a choice of gasoline, hybrids, and diesel units, with output varying from 110 HP to 225 HP. For the very first time, a plug-in hybrid setup will be available and will come in 2 configurations. Depending on the powertrain, 6-speed manual and 8-speed automatic transmissions will be offered. The cabin is a vast departure from the Astra K, by adopting the less is more approach, with few conventional buttons. You still have shortcuts for often used functions, but most of the settings are accessed through the 10-inch touchscreen of the infotainment system. To its left, a fully digital instrument cluster has the same size.